What's up guys, my name is Tony and today I'm going to give you a quick and painless guide to installing Arch Linux.
Okay, so I admit it, I'm a computer nerd, and I've been using computers for all my life. From playing games, coding, and creating my own home server. And hey, we all have played games. Coding is like another level of nerdiness, and creating server is even more nerdy. My first ever operating system I used was, of course, Windows. Because come on, I know that everyone's first operating system was Windows. Many years ago, I tried my first ever Linux. And it was Linux Mint. I remember booting this thing up. I didn't understand anything, but I liked it. And the only reason why I wasn't staying on Linux was simply gaming and lack of software. But now it's not a problem anymore. So I finally decided to start daily driving Arch Linux on my PC. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what I've learned, what I like, and of course what I dislike about daily driving Arch Linux. So let's say you bought your first PC. Now you're gonna boot it up, you're gonna install Windows, you're gonna search up how to optimize it and tweak it for the best gaming performance, and to install Microsoft Binge. Wait, how do you pronounce it? Like actually, how do you pronounce it?
Bing.
Bing?
Bing.
Bing. Wait.
Bing.
Bing. Oh, and after tweaking your system, you're going to play some games and you see few FPS drops and you're like, oh, my PC hardware is so bad. But don't worry, it's not your hardware problem, because it's actually all the services running in the background what makes your system bloated. In Linux though, there isn't such a problem, and many people who have tried Linux have confirmed this, that the system runs smoother and more nice. And even myself, I can confirm it. So overall, the system is fast, smooth, stable, and it's not that hard actually. Like people say it's hell. But there's like only one thing I don't like at all. GPU drivers. Like it's a small thing, you know, like you just get so confused installing the drivers, bro. So for gaming, I haven't done like a big benchmarking yet and seeing the FPS or anything like that. So we're gonna test it out. First game I'm gonna try is Overwatch. So these are the settings. I tried to put everything to high. I'm not gonna do. Damn, I haven't played that game in a while. I'm a support. Alright, we're in. Okay, so we're getting like 180 or 160 FPS on high settings, so I guess that's good, no? But I mean, like, many years ago, the gaming on Linux was nearly impossible, and like, you gotta support it. That it's gotten so much better. Ooh. Lucky cooking, twin. I'm lucky. This game is so easy. What the fuck? But so far, it's pretty nice, actually. Considering that I'm playing on high graphics also. Like yes, I get some drops sometimes. And little input delay, but like... it's fine, bro. Okay, my aim is shit, bro. Fuck me, bro. Okay, our next game is Rocket League. This is one of the funniest game I ever played. These are my settings. I usually play this game while I'm like on the call with my friends, you know. Then I have something to do while talking. So I'm not pro in this game. Like, don't expect like professional gameplay or anything. You're gonna cry watching me play, bro. Right, easy gameplay, bro. I'm gonna be MVP. I'm gonna score 1 goal, and I'm gonna be Sigma. You saw it? Fuck! Oh! Fuck! I didn't touch the ball, bro. I mean, yeah, nice call, but my call would have been better. Bro, why am I playing with bots, bro? Oh, fake! Bro, I'm so good at this game.
Stop the cap.
And oh, see? Boom. Okay, legendary. Fuck, I got pumped. Ooh, ooh, yo, yes. Oh my days. Low key, I deserve the Ballon d'Or, bro. They're so. Bro, what are you doing? You know what would be funny if I scored an own goal? I'm gonna score an own goal, and then I'm gonna leave the game. I'm gonna save that because I wanna rage bait my teammate. If we like start talking professionally now, like the FPS is pretty smooth and it's running very well on high graphics, so it's beautiful. I love the visuals and the graphics. I usually, like when I was on Windows, for the best performance I played on low. I never tried it on high graphics, but right now, so I never tried high graphics on Windows, and now I'm running high graphics on Linux, and damn, it's beautiful and running smoothly too. So. Oh, own goal! Yes! I scored an own goal. That was my own goal, right? Yes! You see? Wait. Oh, beautiful own goal. Yeah, now I'm gonna leave the game. Beautiful. Absolute cinema, bro. So, also, if you're trying to game on Linux, what I recommend you doing is go to Proton TP yeah, whatever, I can't spell. You go here. And then you go explore, and then you can see the games you can run on Linux. So basically this is meant for like Steam Deck mostly, but you can see how good and how well does the game run. So for example, if I type here again like Overwatch 2, fuck, I can't type. Overwatch 2, it's cold. So it means that it should be playable. So if you go BC, you can also check the comments, what people have like gave feedback. So yeah, you can like check any games what are on Steam. So yeah, just a little tip. So conclusion, should you use Linux on your daily drive? Yeah, I definitely use AI to help me make a conclusion script. So Linux is actually very good. I enjoy it so far that I've used it for I don't know, like 2 months now. It's fast, you have full control of it, it's stable, and of course it's free. And also I use it for coding, so it's easier, and of course it's private. Linux doesn't track you or build any ad profiles. Of course you can customize it very well, but now here's the downsides of using Linux. Still, I said before, like, you can use any software now. Well, I was wrong. For example, if you're a Adobe user, no, you can't really use them. Like, yeah, you can try putting it to Lutris or any other software that helps you to run it, but still, it has some issues. For example, I tried to install DaVinci Resolve and it crashed, and the footage didn't load. And the other bad thing is that when you use it, you have to actually think. Like in Windows, you can just press, click, but in Linux, you actually have to think what you're doing, what you're installing, and how to configure all the files. So Linux is good when you want a clean, fast system, and if you're down for the challenge to learn. And of course, it's efficient for coding and most of the daily usage. So for bottom line, yes, Linux is a good daily. I had a lot of fun and a lot of good experience with using Linux, so I do recommend. Maybe I don't recommend using Arch Linux as your first distro. Maybe go for something easier, like, I don't know, Mint or Ubuntu. But Ubuntu still is kind of bloated, so I talked about it earlier for Windows, but even some Linux distros can be full of bloat, so yeah.